the bail application will be heard in another court, not this one.
That's okay, Your Ladyship. Could we very kindly request for a mention before that other judge today, Your Ladyship, very kindly?
They don't sit today, so you won't get to them. Now, let's do the proper thing. Eh?
Yes, Your Ladyship.
They are filing some documents, they are 18 annexures. You need to look at them.
We actually think
file
we know.
Something. Or you don't need to file anything?
We know what they are saying, Your Ladyship. And we are really anxious to proceed with this application. Anyway, Your Ladyship, we are very kindly requesting you, very kindly, for accelerated dates. If it's not possible to have the mention today before the judge.
That one.
Yes, Your Ladyship.
Anything you request must have a supporting reason for it. So you are just saying accelerated. Why? Why accelerated?
Your Ladyship, the accused persons have already been in for the last 15 days, Your Ladyship.
Now, you know that issue, I will not handle it.
Yes, but that's the reason. Yes.
Yeah, I won't handle that one.
I was just reacting to your invitation, Your Ladyship.
And I'm only just cautioning you that anything you ask, you must have something to support.
I do have support, yes, Your Ladyship.
Okay, I want to give you a mention before that court.
Yes.
But the better thing would be that you get leave to file whatever responses you may want. Once you are served with that affidavit.
And in that instance, my lady, since they're saying they're going to serve us in the next 20 minutes, we can have leave to put any further response that we may wish to do. Then we have a mentioned date before the trial court.
How many days do you need to respond?
By this afternoon we will be ready, Your Lady.
This afternoon we will respond immediately. They serve us.
My lady, just correction. My learned friend watching brief for the deceased family has requested at least even tomorrow to be able to file. So today we cannot actually progress on the issues of conversing on the bail issue. We need to give him ample time to file and serve.
Your Ladyship, we pray that you do not place us in the hands of the client represented by Ms. Mwaniki, my learned friend for the family. Your Ladyship, the right belongs to the accused person. It doesn't belong to the family. And
so you have not read the law and the reforms we have made in that area. So let's do this. Let's not waste more time. I want to place you before the judge, maybe Wednesday, so that you can go and get a date for the hearing of the application. In the meantime, you can file your responses once served.
Tomorrow is not an option, Your Ladyship?
No.
Okay.
You don't ambush people like that.
In that case, my lady, because the orders were that they serve us by today, this morning, is it possible another issue that they serve us by close of business today for us to then take the entire of tomorrow to work on the responses?
Yeah, that will be by the prosecution. I don't know about the victims.
So that they can also...
Can you file by the end of the day?
My lady, the latest we'll be able to serve them is morning tomorrow, but we'll file by end of day. Yes.
So you go there on Wednesday for dates for the application? That is 17th. Is that convenient to everyone?
Yes,
That's
it is.
okay, for the application.
You go for dates. Yeah, you go for dates. You don't ambush colleagues with dates of this nature.
Take a mention date.
Mr. Laichela, is it Laichela or Laichela? Is it L or N?
L.
L.
Yes.
You are not hearing what I'm saying. I said you go for mention so that you give you a date for the application. I don't know what kind of matters he has.
We're getting it.
So the state should file and serve. So can you say by 2 o'clock you should have filed and served all the parties?
Yes, my lady.
And then the victim up to tomorrow morning to do that. So I've said the defense will have leave to file whatever responses they may have before the date that will be given for the hearing of their case.
Sure.
Have timelines within which the victims family are supposed to so that we don't come and they serve at 5 in the evenings. Because we've not had any time we have a specific time.
Morning, my lady, I believe we all understand what the hours of morning.
No, Miss Monica doesn't touch you, is the other party.
My lady, you said morning hours. We will definitely serve them.
So by
in the
midday.
morning. By midday, we'll have served. Yes.
So, my lady, finally, the first accused person was, as directed by the court, was taken to first the prison clinic and then later referred to Kenyatta National Hospital. Unfortunately, I cannot be able to read the doctor's handwriting, but this indicates that he was with the prison officers complied to the court's directions. And the officer is present in court.
If the personal effects for the past person, which are not validated, will distribute. Because I'm told his plots and other personal stuff was taken during the time of the arrest. Those that do not form part of the investigation that exist, they can be distributed.
Can you follow them? Because they are not exhibits before the court. You can discuss with them or investigate also. If there is any issue, then that's when you can raise. So I just said I've noted they complied with the court order to have him taken to hospital. So you'll go before the other court on the Wednesday 17th, and you'll be given this for the hearing of the bail application.
Most obliged.
Most obliged.
Which court, my lady? Which court?
You will know.
You said I hear your ladyship.
Sorry?
You said we appear before him.
Yes. Don't mean to say.
Criminal case number 6 of 2018. This person is Joseph Irungu Maina Maria Mbugua.
Well, that is it, and we have until Wednesday to know when the hearing date for the